All right, 7 minutes until we get started with trading on the first trading day of the new Trump administration.
Yes, indeed.
And we'll see how stocks react, of course. But let's get to a mad dash now, and let's deal with earnings from 3M. Fourth quarter, full year 2024 results. Market reacting well.
Electric. And Bill Brown's there. He used to be at L3 Harris. He's a guy who really kind of takes no prisoners. He really gets it right. The thing that I just was shocked at, adjusted gross margins up 280 basis points. Sales were terrific. Organic growth 1.2, but the guidance is for 2 to 3%. Lots of free cash flow. They're going to do 760 to 790. So suddenly the stock is back to being a growth stock. And by the way, when you read what he's saying...
A growth stock?
Growth stock. Yes, it used to be a great growth stock.
I know it was, but it's been a long time.
Could be back. And one of the things that is not important anymore, David, groundwater.
Well, essentially contamination from PFAS, as we call it.
Yeah. PFAS is not really a factor in what we're looking at. And the restructuring is almost completely completed. I don't know. Free cash flow, $4.9 billion. This is a buy. Even here, it's a buy. And
even here, even with that move that it's had over the last year?
This is a new company. It's very much like the old great growth company. I think analysts are going to clamor to upgrade because they're no longer worried about groundwater, and they see a path that is faster than it was.
And they've also resolved the other litigation?
Yes, it looks like. And they also, remember, they spun off Solventum. I wish they hadn't because I really like that healthcare business. You know, some of these guys spin off these things and like, well, no. I mean, I think J&J, Kenvue, I liked Kenvue.
I know.
I think it kept the margins down.
Spinoffs. Spinoffs are great.
Oh, just period? End of story?
That's all we say here at this network now. Spinoffs are great.
What do you think of the DuPont?
And spinoffs are us.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right, Jim. We are going to be. You forgot.
I completely forgot about it.
Yes.
I'm still going to root for Philadelphia, even if we're spun off.
Okay.
Like, are we the Jersey? What are we?
I don't know. We don't have a name yet.
We don't. We got to come up with a name.
All right. We do have an opening bell, though, coming up about 4.5 minutes from now. And by the way, former Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin is going to join us. We'll talk TikTok, of course, the new Trump administration. Don't go anywhere.